Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a Suzuki Vitara in. This is a 2015 and it's just had a small service and it's got the change oil light on the dash. So what we're going to do is we're going to reset that service light and I'm going to show you how to do it. So come around to the driver's side, jump in, and what we're going to do is we're going to press the start button twice. Then it brings the ignition up and we're just going to wait for all the Suzuki display to go out until you've got this one on. As you can see, we've got a little oil spanner light up there. If you go to this button on the right and you press and hold, then it'll bring up a menu. So if we just turn this button until it goes to oil change, press to confirm, twist it one more time to reset OC, then we can press and hold, reset oil change successful. So now we can start it up and we have no more oil light. And that's how to reset your service light on a Suzuki Vitara. This works across many years and many ranges of this vehicle. If you like the content, please hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.